Hello and welcome. Today, we're jumping into what might just be the ultimate last-minute Easter treat. We're talking about a honey-glazed bunny snack mix that is ridiculously delicious and, get this, super fast to make. So let me paint a picture for you. The family is about to show up, the egg hunt is all set, but you have that set-in realization. You need a festive snack, like right now. Does that sound familiar? I think we've all been there, scrambling for that perfect, easy treat to put out for everyone.
Well, what if I told you the answer to that whole snack dilemma is just 15 minutes away? No, really, that's all it takes. From gathering your ingredients to having a finished bowl of yumminess, it sounds almost too good to be true, but I promise you it is very, very real. And that, my friends, brings us to the star of the show. We are making the perfect Easter treat. And it really is perfect because it hits all the right notes. It's got that sweet and salty thing going on, and the whole recipe is just refreshingly simple.
And you know what's so great about this mix? It's just so versatile. I mean, you can serve it up in a big bowl for everybody to graze on after the big egg hunt. You can pack it into little bags for Easter baskets, or even give them out as little party favors. It literally fits into any part of your celebration.
All right, you ready to do this? First things first, we've got to gather our ingredients. Think of it like assembling your toolkit for success. And don't worry, the list is wonderfully short and sweet.
Okay, here's the rundown. For our crunchy, salty base, you're going to need 4 cups of mini pretzels, 3 cups of a cereal like Chex or Crispix, and 1 cup of roasted peanuts for that extra bite. Then, for the sweet and festive part, we've got some pastel candies and a cup of mini marshmallows. And the glaze, the glaze that holds it all together, it's just a 1/4 cup of butter, 1/3 of a cup of honey, a little splash of vanilla, and a tiny pinch of salt. See? So simple.
Now that we've got our toolkit all laid out, it is time for the main event. Let's get right into the step-by-step guide. This is where the magic happens. And honestly, it comes together so fast, it's really fun to watch. You ready for this? I promise it could not be easier. The entire recipe really just boils down to 3 simple things. You melt, you pour, and you toss. That is it. Let's see how it works.
Okay, let's break it down. Step 1, in a really big bowl, just mix your base ingredients together, so the pretzels, the cereal, and the nuts. Step 2, you're going to make that amazing glaze. Just melt the butter and honey together in a small pot, then take it off the heat and stir in the vanilla and salt. Step 3 is the fun part. Pour that warm, bubbly glaze all over your dry mix and just toss it gently till everything is glistening and coated. Step 4, spread it all out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and let it cool for just 10 minutes. Now this is important, you want it a little sticky but not hot. And finally, step 5, once it's cooled down a bit, you toss in the delicate stuff, your mini marshmallows and those pretty pastel candies. And you're done. 5 easy steps.
But hang on, we're not done just yet. This recipe is absolutely fantastic just the way it is, but it's also like the perfect blank canvas for you to get creative. So let's talk about how you can add your own little flourish and really make it your own. This is where you can have some real fun with it. How about adding some yogurt-covered raisins for little bunny tails? So cute, right? Or you could shape little handfuls of the mix into tiny nests and pop a few chocolate eggs in the middle. If you want a little sparkle, why not add a sprinkle of colorful sanding sugar? The possibilities are endless. And just like that, it's finished. I mean, let's just take a second to appreciate this. In 15 minutes, 15, you've created an absolute Easter masterpiece. It is the perfect no-stress, totally delicious solution for any gathering you've got going on. You are now officially an Easter snack hero. So, as we wrap things up here, I've got one last question for you to chew on while you head to the kitchen. Thinking about all these fun ideas and your own favorite flavors, what tasty twist are you going to add to your mix? Happy Easter and, of course, happy snacking.